Bet. All right, bet we're back at it again. Live trading Tokyo session. We already know what we're looking for. If you haven't, you're gonna go back and watch my previous lives. But these white lines, we're in this little range right here on the 15 minute. So all I'm waiting on is price to break either the top line or the bottom line, and then I'm going to the 1 minute, look for my entry. Same thing go for Nas. We got news in the morning, 8:30 and 10 a.m. All right, let me make this a straight line. All right. All right, it's the little range we in right now. Targeting this most uh recent liquidity levels, and actually, I can actually mark this as the true range for Nas 100. That's the closest liquidity on both sides, closest to price right now. Like we're gonna get a setup on potential setup on Nas first. Let me see what gold talking about. Overall, we looking bearish. I need this low to be tested though, for sure. Because we do have this market structure shift and it's basically retesting this, but we'll see. We had this order block right here on the 15 minute. Had another market structure shift to the downside. This engulfing was traded through, retested. Boom. So we'll see. We just waiting on reactions. Matter of fact, let me go ahead and lock that into place so that don't happen again. All right. Now we wait. Like this. Yeah. Currently in a downtrend. On gold. I don't know what Nas trying to do right now. I don't know what this was earlier. I actually caught a setup though. Between 2 and 3, and another one at between 10 a.m. and 11 a.m. EST. Times I trade strategy called the silver bullet. Still the same way I trade every pair, just during a certain time of day. See what the spread's looking like right now. Mm, Ain't too bad. Let me see what gold looking like. Gold look more desirable in my opinion. Let me see what gold talking about. Like we about to get a break though on us. We still pushing. Let me change it. You can barely see the. There we go. Now you can barely see the outline. Is it locked still? All right, bet. We got the break on Nas. I ain't really fucking with the spread on Nas, but it is what it is. We breaking. Okay. All right. 1 minute. These, since we selling, I'm looking for it to reverse. I'm looking for buys. So I'm looking for this setup to happen. Potentially take a setup somewhere in here and to bounce off. Or I'm looking for this setup to occur. Looking for potential entry off of that zone right there. All of this on the 1 minute. Taking an entry on the 1 minute. Targeting at least the midpoint of this range. Yeah, that's about the midpoint. All right, let me see what gold talking about. We still haven't broke out yet. I mean, it's the 1 minute, but I can show you what the 15 look like. We're still in between. Yeah, we still in between. I don't know why I keep doing that. All right, so we got this lower high. So remember, we're looking for one of these two patterns. Simple. Since we do have this two candlestick pullback, this is the only formation we have right now. Right now, it's right here. So it hasn't completed this one yet. That's what it's looking like it's trying to do. Now, the only thing that'll make me change my mind and start looking for both again is is if it breaks this low. Then I look for this and this, and not just for it to complete this. So it has to break this high for it to make this formation. Let me bring it up a little bit. Then I'm looking for the retest. So if it break this, it'll more than likely retest into this order block if it continues up and break this high. Unless it creates another order block or demand up in this area before it breaks. I'm just anticipating this right here because this is the clearest one as of right now. All right, gold still in the range, so we be looking at knives for the night. I ain't finna keep going back and forth. So looking like we might get this set up. I'm gonna go ahead and delete this one so there's no confusion. Until this comes below here, before if it don't break this and come below here, then I'm still looking for this. It's still just now it's more so up here in the formation. So I'm looking for it to come up past this level. Oh, okay. Look for it to come up past this level. Come down here and somewhere tap into this order block. You feel me? Let me get the arrow. Break that high. Boom. Come back and tap into that zone. Whatever zone is in there, fair value gap, order block, uh, or demand, whatever the case, whatever you got. Well, that's what I'm looking for. So you need sell side liquidity to be taken. For this setup, then you need to come in, have a change of character or a market structure shift, which basically means the trend is changing momentarily from a downtrend to an uptrend. Then you look for that retest into that zone for the takeoff. And again, once we get this on the 1 minute, we targeting at least a midpoint, going for a 1 or 2 or at least a midpoint, whichever one is more beneficial. It's looking like we have to target the top of this range because we getting hella close to this midpoint. I don't think it's gonna give us a 1 or 2 if it happens real close in here. But we'll see. But I'm gonna move this because this ain't happened yet. Move that to the side. You feel me? Go ahead and get that up out of there. Okay. Now I need it to close above this yellow line. Then we're gonna have market structure shift. You see it already popped up. See, I called it. All right. It already popped up. So we waiting on to close above. We got 12 seconds. And then we got this zone right here. Matter of fact, no, I'm gonna leave this. I'm gonna leave this. So this is what we looking for. Right here. We got our zone. This is a little bright. I'm going to turn that down a little bit. Bring it to the back. All right. Now we got the market structure shift. I only need to keep that yellow line because my indicator caught it too. All right. So it'll either come down to this one or it'll come down to this. Because this is an engulfing. It already retested it too. Ooh. Don't play me like that. I might have missed this entry. I didn't even realize that was an engulfing order block that was invalidated or a breaker block. So it could potentially use this entire area. Now let me do the whole candle. But yeah, we might have missed that entry. That boy happened quick. Hey, it can look like this, or it can look like this. In this case, this breaker block right here, that's what it would be. It's as long as that retracement come back below that or to it, then we good. Cause that's also structure. So lower high, or also resistance turn into support, or a ceiling turn into the floor. It was using it as a ceiling right here, broke above it. Now it's using it as a floor to push price higher. So you can either look at it as support and resistance, ceiling and floors, Well, those are really the only two I really would suggest using. The two terms. I'm still expecting it to come down in this zone right here. But this might be that might be the entry right there. That shit took off, ran away from us tonight. We'll see. We'll see. It gotta pull back. It still gotta pull back. Let me bring my FEB out. Okay, so 1, 2, 3, 4. 4. This the midpoint of the FEB. Let me change that to orange or yellow. I'm changing to yellow. Delete this. All right. So I shouldn't be looking for sales until it come down in here, which lines up with this. If it didn't want to, you feel me? Respect this breaker block. We'll see. So I'll be looking to enter for a sale right here. Let me move this to the side. Rotating. An explanation. Because I think we out of rehabilitation. Yeah, that ain't near the 50. Even though it's a breaker block, I'm going to leave it alone. So this is my POI right here to look for buys. I already gave you the reason why. Downtrend structure broke above. Now I gotta retest into a fair value gap, order block, or demand. And we do have an order block or a fair value gap that's right here, but it's not at the 50% or below it. It's right above it, so it's not RPOI. Looking for it right in here. So the setup would look like, for me, I'll put it above that. Below that candle. Hold on, I'm gonna have to extend this. Well, got the settings now. If y'all pause it right there, ain't gotta ask me a question. Gave it to you. Free game. All right, so white line at my yellow line, that's the entry. First green line, TP1. Second green line, TP2, so on and so forth. Overall, TP5. But we gonna see. Did it wanna? Let's see. This is the setup we got tonight. That's what we anticipating right here. So shit, I can see it didn't wanna. Yeah, get that 50%. It ain't tapping that 50%. It's gonna do that first. It ain't gonna respect that breaker block. This what it is. TP1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Overall, take it out up there. Or if you satisfied when you get to TP2, take it completely. Let me get ready. She was smashing them ribs, G. Straight smashing. I deleted that. Why is it still right there? All right. Alright, look like we got our entry. Well, not yet. It's right above it. Let me zoom in. I don't know if y'all can. All right, we got our entry. Let's see what's up. See what's up with it tonight. Mm. Mm. That's how you doing me tonight, Nas? Hey, you can't win them all. Yep, that's a loser. Can't win them all, G. I might have to look for a re-entry on this bad boy. Hold up. We still got all our confirmations. Where we at? Where we at? Where we at? Where we at with it? Might have to get in back in this. But I need to see some a change in volume right here in this area. All right. Give me a green candle and a golfing, and we in that thing again. We in that thing. This will just be a re-entry type trade, which I'm cool with. I adjust this once I get in. I should have my stop loss but below this low since it was so close to that zone too. But I ain't want to have a big stop loss tonight. It is what it is. It is what it is. Let's see what you want to do. Let me delete this. There's a lot going on. Hey, just know this is trading. You can follow all your rules to a T. You still gonna lose. Nothing is, or you still can lose. Nothing is 100%. Nothing. Don't ever come to this market thinking you gonna have 100% uh, strategy. Never. All right. How many times you see your setup? It can still do shit like this. Cause you see we got the change of character, market structure shift. So it should come back to either this order block, this order block, whichever is under the 50%. Yeah, just a losing trade tonight. This was a losing setup. That's invalidated. Wait for another transition. You wait for the same thing. That's it. Because it just took out this liquidity on the 15th. So it's going to make a transition back up like it did. But we just wait again. Wait for the same setup. But now we will be looking for not just this one. We will look for this one as well. see what's up. It didn't close below, so that don't really count. So we looking for this. So close below or above this breaker block right here. It's a big ass bullish candle right here. If it leaves behind a fair value gap, then this is a go. Did gold ever break out of this shit? Nah, it didn't. It's at the bottom of it now. I would have preferred to get in on gold. The spread looking better too. Let me see what's up. All right, we got this fair value gap right here. I already tapped into it. But it didn't close above this breaker block, so I ain't trusting it. It didn't close above this area. It wicked it, but it didn't close above, so I'm gonna leave it alone. Cause that's also considered a market structure shift to me. When it closed above and engulfing. So if it do close above this point right here, I look for it to come back down into this area. Same thing as before. Breaker block area be right here instead. This is just the fair value gap, so I can change this color. But you gotta close above that yellow line for me to consider this bullish. We still bearish right now. You got one L tonight. Yeah, that would be the most recent. So 8 o'clock candle. And then no, yeah. Okay. Yeah, that's what I was thinking. Yep. Let me see what it looking like on the 5. Okay. We got my setup on a higher time frame. Just not the 1 minute. And we looking definitely bearish, bro. So that would have been the move right there. That setup would have just lost tonight. Because it created this, but inverted right here, right before it. But I was only looking for the setup to happen during. So, hey, it is what it is. We still gonna have it though, cause it's not carrying that momentum down past this point. It's starting to wick. That's the only reason why I'm keeping this yellow line right here. Only reason why I'm keeping it right there. Because we still could potentially get one of these two setups. And as of right now, since the body hasn't closed, let me zoom in. Since the body didn't close below this wick, this setup is basically this setup. It only counts when the body closes below the wick for it to be considered this setup over here. Say like the bodies of these candles close below this wick, that was the down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up before it where it had that market structure shift. Then we was looking for it to come back down to this order block, but that wasn't a go. And when I give us a setup right there, we had all the confirmations, but hey, ain't nothing 100% like I said. But going on for this current setup right here, since the body didn't close below this wick, this is the setup. So make this white. So I'll look forward to break above this high and for it to retest. Um, Again, the order block of fair value gap in this area. But I'll wait for it to retest the broken structure before getting in, rather than just waiting for an order block. I want to go to gold, bro, because I knew we was about to get the break. And we basically got this right here. So we got boom, 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 boom. So I had to look for boom, boom, boom. That's the setup. Since we peaked out. So basically, this boom, same thing every time. Now we got to set up on gold. I can't even keep this right here now because it hasn't closed below. Now we have to close below this wick for it to be considered the second setup. This yellow line is this yellow line. All right, we ain't get this yet. We right here with it. Remember, I didn't even draw this. Oh, you remember we looking for it to come up here and then come back and then push up. But we like right here. So we ain't got that yet. We ain't got this yet. It ain't closed above here yet. Yeah, I'm about to stick with gold because the spread keep opening up on nines on the 1 minute. It wasn't that. Yeah, I'm gonna just leave Nas alone to New York. We on gold with it. So I'm gonna close this because we ain't going back and forth. That spread opened up too much for my liking. I'm Gucci. So this yellow line in this setup is this yellow line in current price. And that's actually an engulfing breaker too. So is this engulfing? That candle engulfed that one. So looking for it to close above. That becomes a breaker block. This one isn't engulfing right here. If it closes above the two candlestick formation wick, this is going to be a breaker block. Since these are close, the setup would be kind of quick. Probably put it at this line, the range low, and then where we at with it? Just put it like in the middle, really. Put the stop loss below the candle or the low that's gonna break it. That's what I'm anticipating. Yeah, put them up right back in the middle. This extra confirmation if it closes above this one, but this is still a breaker block. I'm still looking for it to close above this. So I'm gonna delete that. All right, we got it. Look like we about to get the break. All right, we got the break. Now I need the closure. Market structure indicator caught it, so I can delete this yellow line. Wait for a closure and retest. This is the setup right here. Brought it over a little too much. But there, that's all it is right there. So anywhere in this area, just the breaker block right here. Middle of the range is about, yeah, it's too close to the 1-1, so it ain't gonna matter. I'm going to delete that. That's our entry right there. 1-1, 1-2, 1-3, 1-4, 1-5. 1-1, take your partial. Are you slowing down? Come on, man. Show me some. They didn't go off 2 candles. 1-1. Shit, basically 1-1 hit. Go ahead and tap, G. Don't wicked quick. Okay, there we go. 1-1, take partial. Straight like that. All right, we hit for a 1-1. It's 1-2. Stops break even. I can't really move that because it's a Fibonacci. It ain't the really. It's not the price point like this. It's a fib, so I can't really show that I'm moving it to break even. But I'll say that. You only gonna go for a 1-1? That's what we was looking for right here. Exactly what we was looking for. Got this downtrend structure, came up, broke it, broke the last lower low. I mean lower high. Use it as a floor or support. I think I'm gonna update the schedule again. So I'm gonna go live Tuesdays, and then I'm gonna just post a video of my Tokyo session rather than just going live and for hours and then waiting for a setup to happen at the end of the hour type shit. Y'all ain't trying to wait for all that. Y'all want to see the setup, profits, in and out, all that. I can't even show the profits on here because I'm on my computer. I ain't got my account on this laptop. Trading off my phone right now. But we'll see. We had a 1-1 right now. See how far I want to go. We definitely hit the mid of this range. Even though we was close. I knew it was close to a 1-1, but we won't get that 1-2 at the mid of the range. But we at least got that. Yeah, I'm about to leave Nas alone during Tokyo. It it was it was paying the last quarter of last year, but the first quarter of this year, it's on one doing Tokyo. So I'm gonna go back to gold to like later, like mid part of the year. Then I'll probably trade Nas again during Tokyo session. During this session, they be trading right now. Go ahead and take off, gang. So we lost one on Nas, 1-1 on gold. This is a risk-free trade. We had break even. We already hit for a 1-1. So this is we 1-1 for the night. All right, it looking like it's gonna take us out at a 1-1 or break even. I mean, you should have took partials at a 1-1. What? Oh, I didn't even mean to do that. Okay, now I see what was going on. I say I wasn't a part of that server, G. 1-1 tonight. I said we got a minor fair value gap right in here too. Let me delete this. This might be a re-entry. So the second one went for 1-1, took us out of break even. But then I'm gonna show you what I see. So we still got this market structure shit. Then we had this fair value gap that hasn't tapped into yet. So we'll see. This is set up. Boom, 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 boom. Might get in again right here. Let's see if it'll go for a 1 or 2. It's only been going for a 1-1 lately. Yeah, I tapped it. If you ain't put stops to break even, you still would have been in that from before. But if you don't tap this, I'm going to end the video though, because we already lost the first one on Nas. We got the second one on gold, 1-1. I'm good with that. You close above here, I'm gonna go ahead and leave it alone. You taking off from there. We got 20 seconds. See, I would have been out because I went break even, but that trade still would have been valid from earlier. Can I put it back? Let me see something. See how far it'll let me go back. Bring the big one back. Yeah, see? That's still valid. It just took me out of break even because I take a partial at 1-1. But if you didn't take a partial, if you didn't put stops break even at 1-1, you would still be in this thing. You gonna watch it for a little bit. This is this setup right here. I might have to rearrange my rules. Might have to just take a partial at a 1-2 instead of a 1-1, so I don't get taken out too quick. I still would have been in this until it come down. This trade is still valid. I'm satisfied with the profit though I did make, so I'm Gucci. Yeah, for the day. As long as I'm up, I ain't tripping. I ain't tripping. I probably would have took another setup, or would have been looking for another setup if I wasn't up. But that's just part of the game. My indicator saying we still gotta like it transition back down. Gotta change the character or market structure shit. Go ahead and take off. You playing right now? Yeah, I'm gonna change my rules a little bit because I'm one of the ones been getting taken out quick, too quick. Just for it to do this. Okay, I should have got back in. Nah, nah. Control the greed. One or two is what I normally go for, and I'll leave a runner after that, and then start trailing. Yeah, I'm already at this thing. I ain't finna watch this, dog. It's gonna do this, dude. It started. I don't know why I was slowing down. The start of it was we was seeing consistent movement. Like, bro, what you on, man? Give you 5 more minutes. That's 5 more candles. Just five. Now I'm gonna cut the live. We're gonna come back, or y'all see me next in the next video. Cause this sitting here live, bro. It's nah, gang. Only on Tuesdays. In the video Wednesday, Thursday, weekly. I'm also about to put my link to my Discord in the description. Matter of fact, I'm gonna put it in the comments. Am I gonna have to do it after, or I should just post it from my? Hold on. Let me see if I can do it like this. Yeah, there it is. So you want to join my Discord? Link is in the comments. I post in there almost daily, depending on how the market looking. But yeah, where we at? We got 2 minutes left. See, now I want to play. Gave us our 1-to-1. Was like, nah, chill out, gang. We got our setup though. Broke this eye, came back. Broke this eye, came back. Took off. Just went for a 1-to-1 before it started doing all this nonsense. And now you want to pick up. Where the volume at right now on this candle? It's at 141. That was at 160. Yeah, see, it started slowing down on these candles. Like 800, 600. 9 o'clock starts slowing down. Somebody talking? Like, is it news or not? Nah, this there's no news. I don't know why I just picked up like that. What's this? Yeah, definitely giving mixed signals for sure. Uh, they're having trade wars right now on gold. So that's what's going on. That's why it's going crazy tonight. Went for a 1-1 3 times. Bro, hit this 1-2 and quit playing. I said I wasn't gonna watch it. Now you starting to you giving what I've been expecting. I just want to see you hit this one. So this live one for nothing. That's all I want. I'll wait for that. You hit 1 and 2 with Gucci. I'm telling you, bro. You close below here, I ain't even gonna watch it no more. Cause that's an engulfing. Definitely transition. I'm gone. I wanna watch this live or like the charts live too. There's a website, tradingview.com. Don't type in gold. Type in XAU That's gold versus the US dollar. It's the same thing. And then you can be on the chart just in case, you feel me. I cut it off. It don't hit this 1 and 2 on live. You can still watch it. It's gonna go. I don't know why it's just tweaking right now. Like, I mean, we looked at news and it's giving mixed signals. It's indecisive. We on the 1 minute. Normally it would have broke out of this. So we in a little range right now. Like I said, it closed below this wick. I'm going in and I ain't even gonna watch it. I got my 1-1. I'm cool. Go for a 1 and 2 tomorrow. And that'll be that. But beginning of the year, this first quarter so far, market only been hitting for a 1-1 for me. It closed at it. It didn't close below it. So we'll see what's up. Got 50 seconds. See what I'm talking about? Go be on some nonsense. Make your move, gang. What are you doing all this consolidating for? You playing with me. You knew I was gonna cut it off. You closed for this line. Go try and give me an engulfing candle at this line, G. You playing with my emotions. So I gotta talk to you when I'm trading. You would do what I want you to do. Crazy work. Maybe not. Alright, let me go ahead. Yeah, I'm done. 1-1. It's gonna do whatever it wanna do, but if you wanna watch it, cause I'm about to end it. TradingView.com in the search bar, type in XAUUSD. Do not type gold. Type in XAUUSD.